Hello and welcome to Minikun Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to set your upload defaults for monetization of YouTube videos in 2020. Each time we upload a video on YouTube, we are always compelled to go and do the settings for go and select the type of ads that we want to be placed on our videos and what have you. But we can do this like on our channel in such a way that every time that we upload a video, automatically the video takes those settings, and that's what we term as the upload defaults for monetization. And today I will show you how to do it. In my previous videos, I've already shown how to monetize your videos in 2020, and be it multiple videos or just a single video. But in this particular session, we're going to look at how to set your upload defaults for monetization. So to do that, you simply have to click on the icon here, your photo icon here, and after which you get down and click on YouTube Studio. When you click on YouTube Studio, it brings us here. So here you click on settings. So you come and click on settings, and when you click on settings, it brings us here. So over here you see that we have our upload defaults. So you click on upload defaults, and then you click on monetization, and over here you can select all the ads that you'd like to be placed on your videos, so that anytime you upload a video and you monetize it, you don't have to do these settings. So these are the upload defaults for monetization of your YouTube videos. We have display ads, overplay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, and during video, that's mid-roll and what have you. So this is how we for instance, if I should uncheck, I've already selected all of them, but you can select some of them. If I should uncheck this, you see that I can now save my new settings, so that anytime I upload a video, it means only sponsored cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, and during video, whatever mid-roll ads will be placed. But I personally want everything, so I selected everything, and because it was already like this, that's why the save button has disappeared. So this is how we change we set the default upload parameters for monetization in 2020. Please subscribe and like the video if you really like it. If you dislike it, do not hesitate to let me know. Thanks for watching.